Hello, welcome everyone. I Shubham Borati. Today I am going to show you propositional logic statement and how to solve it and discuss on it. Here on screen you can see their single problem statement. Here is a single problem statement. I can read that show that the truth values of the following formulas are independent of their components. Question is P implies Q, double implies negation of P or Q. So we are going to solve the problem statement by simple method. Construct the truth table for the following formula. That is, we are going to solve this by using truth table. Now, before we getting started, I will like to give a single information, some basic information to how to identify how much rows to insert. That means while making truth table, how much rows to insert. Here is a short formula for is number of rows is equal to 2 raised to n. In our problem statement, n is equal to number of element in a problem. In our problem statement, there is only two elements, that is p and q. So n is equal to 2. The number of rows is equal to 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. We insert 4 rows. Some basic information I will give you. What is a proposition? A proposition is the basic building block of logic. It is defined as declarative sentence that is either true or false. Declarative sentence is either true or false, but not both. The truth value of the proposition is true and denoted by T, and false value is denoted by capital F. So we are going to our problem statement. I am constructing the truth table. So we taking the entries for the p value. So first is true, second true, third is false, last is false. So our entries are taken for the p value. So there is a ttff. So taking the entries for the q value, that is t f t f. Negation of p, negation of p. So I will taking negation of p. I will adjusting the all the information. I will show you. Negation of p is, that is f f t t f f t t. I will show you f f t t. So p implies q, that is true imply true is always true. So true implies true, always true. So true implies false is always false, is always false. False implies true, always true, always true. False implies false, always true. So negation of in B column, negation of P or Q. Negation, here is the negation of P. I will show you. Here is the negation of P column, and here the here is the Q column. So negation of P or Q. F or Q is always true. So here is capital T. So F imply F or F means false, or false is always false. So I will take false entry. So true or true is always true. True or true is always true, and true or false is always true. So we taking the A and B. In last column here we can taking capital C is equal to A double implies B. So in last column A double implies B. T and T double implies T is always true. False double implies false is always true. True implies true is always true. I can taking entries, and T and double implies T is always true. So in last column, I will see you. Last column of our entries, that is C is equal to A double implies B, that is all four entries are true. So that is we can say the uh, here is the tautological condition. All the entries of our question is tautology. So we can say that our question is, here is our question. I will say you. Show that the truth values of the following formulas are independent of their nature. In a logic, tautology is the formula assertion that is true in every possible interpretation. Here is all the values are true. So we can we can say that all the entries of our problems are true. So thank you for listening. I will end.